How to fix controller or gamepad not working on PC in Ghost of Tsushima Director's Cut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll demonstrate how to troubleshoot when a controller is not working with the game. First, try restarting your computer, and if the issue persists, the next step is to toggle the Steam input option. You can do so by right-clicking on the game and selecting the properties and navigating to the controller tab and enabling or disabling the Steam input. Try both of these options to see which one resolves the issue. Additionally, ensure that you have disconnected unnecessary peripherals such as extra mouse, keyboards, or controllers. If you have virtual controllers installed, consider disabling or uninstalling them before testing the controller again. You can also try launching the Steam in big picture mode before starting the game. If the problem persists, try connecting the controller using a USB cable for a more stable connection, and by following the simple steps I just outlined in this video, you should be able to get your controller working seamlessly with the game. So this was all about it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.